Today we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies, but with a twist. We're talking about mobile gaming. Specifically, we'll be discussing a gaming cryptocurrency that's been making waves in the market, Heroes of Mavia. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about Heroes of Mavia, from what sets it apart to its potential for growth in the upcoming crypto boom. So if you're curious about how gaming and crypto collide, stick around because you're in for a treat. But before we jump in, if you find this topic intriguing, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Alright, let's get started. Heroes of Mavia is a gaming cryptocurrency that resembles popular titles like Clash of Clans, but with a crypto twist. It's the kind of game I've been eagerly anticipating in the crypto space. A mobile game with addictive gameplay that has the potential to attract millions of players. Looking at the charts, it's evident that this project is gaining momentum, with a current market cap of $235 million, which is considerable. However, we've witnessed gaming cryptos like Axie Infinity and others reaching market caps in the range of $5 to $10 billion during the last cycle. In the upcoming cycle, gaming cryptocurrencies are poised to perform even better. This trend, known as a bull run, typically sees improved results with each iteration. Looking at the current market, tokens like HTX, Bybit, Gate.io, KuCoin, BitGet, and MEX show strong bullish signs. This suggests a potential listing on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase during the bull run. Let's delve into the game itself. Heroes of Mavia, with its clean website and trailer released in 2022, demonstrates significant development effort over time. This dedication is reflected in the game's quality. I encourage you to download and try it out on Google Play or the App Store. Make sure to check out Clash of Clans, a game I've devoted plenty of time to. It's evident why this cryptocurrency is garnering significant attention. This surge in interest is entirely justified, and I firmly believe it's poised to become even more significant during the bull run. Currently, we're just a blip on the chart compared to its potential. Take a moment to appreciate the artwork in this game. It's easy to see how it will captivate a vast player base, spanning across all demographics, young and old, men and women alike. This is precisely what I've been emphasizing about crypto gaming. We don't want niche games to appeal to only a fraction of the population. We aim for games with mass appeal, akin to Clash of Clans. Consider Clash of Clans' staggering numbers: 500 million downloads on both iOS and Android. That's 500 million players contributing to a yearly revenue of $1 billion. We're not talking about a small-scale game here. It's a juggernaut that resonates with the masses. The brilliance of Mavia lies in its approach. They're not reinventing the wheel, but rather building upon a proven concept with a cryptocurrency twist. This strategy mitigates substantial risk while tapping into a formula that has already proven successful in the real world. Adding features such as tournaments and potentially incorporating NFTs into the game, where you can purchase unique features with the Mavia token, are significant enhancements being considered. These details are readily available on their website. Furthermore, it's crucial to note the emphasis on utility within the game environment. For instance, tournaments and special events offer opportunities to earn Mavia rewards via tokens. Integrating the token into the marketplace functionality is also under consideration. This aspect is evident in the draft layout resembling a crypto marketplace, where the Mavia token can be utilized to trade legendary items and access NFTs. The website itself is exemplary in the crypto space, showcasing a blend of effective marketing, a user-friendly interface, and playable game dynamics. However, success in the crypto realm extends beyond the website. The Heroes of Mavia are executing their strategy meticulously, with promising catalysts on the horizon. Mavia stands out as a singular game within the crypto landscape, reminiscent of successful precedents like Axie Infinity, Sandbox, and Decentraland. These single-game ventures have historically demonstrated considerable success in previous cycles. The mobile platform dominates the gaming landscape, boasting the largest player base. While PC gaming holds a devoted following, the sheer numbers favor mobile gaming by a significant margin. Despite the perception of mobile gamers as more casual, their collective presence is formidable. Moving on to familiarity, the game adopts a well-known style similar to Clash of Clans, augmented with a unique cryptocurrency twist. Although it draws inspiration, it carves its own path with distinct troops and gameplay elements, distinguishing itself in the market. Consider also their website and marketing efforts. In the realm of cryptocurrency, effective marketing is paramount, and this project excels at maintaining an active presence, particularly on platforms like Twitter. Such visibility enhances investor confidence and brand recognition. Furthermore, the project's association with centralized exchanges merits attention. A judicious balance is struck here. While multiple exchanges signify intent and financial backing, an excessive presence across all major exchanges may dilute value. A strategic approach targeting mid-tier exchanges while aiming for the coveted spots on platforms like Coinbase and Binance bodes well for future growth and investor returns. The absence of listings on major exchanges presents a tantalizing prospect for investors, as each successful listing represents a potential catalyst for price appreciation. This forward-looking strategy not only sustains investor interest, but also fuels price surges upon realization of these milestones. Lastly, the team's track record inspires confidence, boasting experience with established companies. This solid foundation enhances credibility and instills trust among investors, further bolstering the project's prospects for success. Alex Becker, a prominent figure in the crypto market, has expressed support for this token, indicating a potentially favorable outlook. Regardless of personal opinions about him, his influence holds significant weight in crypto circles. When Becker endorses a crypto asset, it typically performs well, especially in bullish market conditions. Now let's delve into price predictions for Mavia. 3 scenarios are considered: the bear case, the realistic case, and the bull case. The bear case suggests a potential 15x increase from current levels, while the realistic scenario anticipates a range of 20 to 35 times. Comparing Mavia to established projects like Sandbox, Axie Infinity, and Decentraland, these projections seem feasible. However, there's also a possibility that Mavia surpasses expectations, potentially outperforming even Axie Infinity. In such a bull case, gains could reach up to 60 times the current value. It's crucial to note that while significant returns are anticipated, this isn't a guarantee of a 1000x increase. Monitoring the market closely can present opportunities to optimize returns. For instance, purchasing during dips can significantly enhance potential ROI. Therefore, adopting a strategic approach, such as dollar-cost averaging, is advisable. Long-term prospects for Mavia appear promising, positioning it as a blue-chip game in the crypto space. Compared to other established projects, such as Axie Infinity and Decentraland, Mavia is still in its early stages, offering potential for substantial growth. With the potential to reach a market capitalization of $10 billion, securing an investment now could prove lucrative. Heroes of Mavia represents a promising venture in the intersection of gaming and cryptocurrency. With its engaging gameplay, strategic integration of tokens, and potential for significant growth, it stands as a noteworthy player in the crypto gaming landscape. As we anticipate the upcoming market cycle, keep an eye on Heroes of Mavia for potential listings on major exchanges and further developments within the game environment. If you found this overview informative, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, staying informed and strategic in your investment decisions can greatly enhance your potential returns. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.